What is up, guys? It's your boy here, and today we're installing some subwoofers. So I currently have a single 12-inch in there, but I got another one, as you guys can see, and we're about to cut this box and make the two subs fit.
You see that, right?
Yeah, we see that right here. So the box is circle, and we're about to turn it into a square to fit the subs. Just doing the outline right now. We're about to cut it. So hopefully we don't mess up and this fits. So Anthony's in the back right now. It's really loud. He's cutting the box. We can come over and check him out.
Here, come cut.
Oh, it's my turn?
Easy for you. I already started it.
So I'm about to cut this line.
I believe.
Cut this one.
You got that shit. Yeah, hell yeah, get it. That's a good ass cut right there.
That's a beautiful
ass cut. That's a beautiful
ass cut.
Yo, do the same thing, right?
The line.
Do the same thing
so
right there,
straight,
man.
Right here, hit it one more time, right?
Hell yeah,
Hit it one more time.
Hell yeah, there you go. You just break it off.
Break it off. Like that.
There you go. You got 6 more sides to cut.
Here it is, yo.
Let's go. Oh, beautiful. Just break
Right
that.
there. Break it.
It
comes right out like that.
Oh, he lining it up.
Yeah, you gotta make sure the cuts are nice.
You know,
On point.
he's learning. He's doing it by himself. He's out here. Since we're taking this whole sub system out, I don't want this to have power to it, so I'm probably just gonna go pull the fuse. The fuse is right there. I'm just gonna push this button. Should be no more power going to it. Now we're gonna go ahead and take this all apart and take it out. There we go. It's just unplugged everything. Got it all unplugged, ready to go. It's Andrew's car. He's gonna be running 2 amps in there and 2 subs.
We finished up with the boxes over here. We got it all cleaned up to the best of our ability. Everything's looking good. The cuts are clean. Everything. Anthony, how you doing over here?
Finishing up some wiring.
Damn, we got the nice ass wiring and shit. Leads in the back.
Now we just put everything in. Put the subs down.
This is my old setup right here. We got the JL 500x1 on the side, kicker L7 12. We got the ported box on this one, but we're gonna say goodbye to this box and we're gonna throw it into that one, which is what, enclosed, right?
Yeah.
Hopefully it, I mean, I know it will bump, but hopefully it freaking bamps. I don't know what I was gonna say with that. Bumps and bang. Hopefully it bumps, yo. Now we're just wiring everything together. Getting it, about to be ready. Damn, look at this. Shiny silver in the back. Oh. Dude, these like bodies are nice.
So I'm wiring the C4 you.
Wiring C4. Alright guys, quick little update on how we're doing. So we've got these subs installed into the box already, and now we're on our way to connect the amps to the box. I think we're thinking on top, and we're just about to have both of them over here since we're running 2 different amps, 1 for each sub, right?
Yep.
And yeah, we're just gonna put it on top. We're measuring out how much space I have in the trunk, and you know, it's a pretty snug fit with this big ass box in there. We just finished installing and cleaning up the subs. Oh shoot, I don't know why this came up. Look at this beautiful thing.
There's a little vacuum and we good.
Oh my god, so we got 2 12-inch kicker L7s with 2 amps running this. We got brackets on the side.
It's not going nowhere.
It's not going nowhere. Clean.
Let's see the inside.
Alright, ready for a start test?
Let's see it.
Let's go. Alright guys, we're gonna do a bass test real quick. Indoor.
We gotta
Oh, we gotta add. Oh, I thought that shit was gonna drop. Alright guys, we just finished with the build. Check this out. Final build, everything's inside. You guys know I got my little box here for the tools and everything I need on the side. Fits nicely. Even got the infinity sign down here. Like, it doesn't even block it.
Even the carpet box
Even
matches the carpet.
For real. If you guys are watching and you guys like this video, what should they do?
Leave a comment, like, and subscribe.
Subscribe. You guys heard it. And
share it too.
And share it. And stay even more tuned for Anthony's MR2. Look at this thing. Oh my lord. So yeah, stay tuned guys. If you guys like the video, do what he said. And we're out. Peace.